Myself Astha Yadav from class 6A2. Now I am going to give an explanation on the topic balanced diet. Now let us first discuss about what is balanced diet. Balanced diet is the diet that contains proper amount of all the nutrients, roughage and water for growth and development of the body. There are 5 primary nutrients that our body need for proper functioning. Apart from the primary 5 nutrients, there is also roughage and water. Roughage is the fiber portion of the food we eat, and water is crucial for regulating our blood processes. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients in appropriate quantities. It is essential to understand what kind of food give us nutrients. Bread, potatoes, sugar, rice and chapatis are rich in carbohydrates. We must consume this kind of food as they are our primary source of energy. Any vegetable that grows under the ground, for example carrots, sweet potatoes, radishes, are rich in carbohydrate. Meat, fish, pulses, lentil, eggs, milk and every kind of milk product like cottage cheese and paneer are rich in proteins. Proteins are our main source of energy. Proteins are essential for people of every age group. Anybody who wants to eat less fat for their meals must compensate for it by eating more proteins. Proteins are necessary for adolescents since they help in muscle development. Oil, sugar, cream, cheese, red meat, ghee, butter, etc. are all rich in fat. Fat gives us more energy. Children should consume an adequate amount of fat as they need it for growth. Fats, when consumed in large quantities, resulting in excessive depositing of adipose tissue and leads to weight gain. However, fats are an essential components of our diet and we must take at them adequately. Now I am going to tell you about the benefits of eating a balanced diet. Manage a healthy weight, support a strong immune system, increase your energy level, save on medical expenses, slow the effects of aging, help you live longer, improve your mental health and well-being. Do you know why people of different ages need balanced diet? Senior citizens, for being physically active and healthy, require nutrient-dense, low-fat foods. Pregnancy, for maintaining health, productivity and preventing of diet-related diseases, and to support pregnancy lactation require nutritionally adequate diet with extra food for childbearing rearing. Adult, for growth spurt and bone development. Child age, for growth, development and to fight infections require energy, bodybuilding and protective food. Infant, for growth and appropriate milestones require breast milk, energy-rich foods. At last, I want to say that balanced diet not only makes us physically fit and it also makes us mentally fit.